Let's do an inspired ocean sunset makeup look. I really have been inspired by the sunset, and since we are in the latter half of the summer, it's not over yet, it's still freaking hot, but I just want to create like this sunset look to commemorate that. I'm going to start off with my brow area first. I like to start with my eyes first. I don't know. I have to always start with my eyes because the eyes is just my canvas, and I don't like putting on a whole base and then going into my eyes. And then I like to conceal. I'm giving you the 2016 brow era. I don't think I would ever change my brows. I don't know anytime soon, but I am in dire need to shape them up. But for right now, we're just gonna work with what we got. And once I get them filled in, I like to go and do my color correcting. I like for my concealer to sit for a while so it's already set so it doesn't blend into my foundation. So I'm going in with my orange and a little bit of a peach concealer, and I'm just going to conceal all of my dark areas. And then I'm going to go in with my primer again, just to let everything set. So I'm going in with a concealer from my base. This is more of a like thicker concealer. So I just did some research on Google and got some images because I was just like, I want to do some really pretty colors, and I want to play with color. I haven't played with color in so long, and I ended up finding these images, and I was like, this is perfect. And then I'm gonna go in with another concealer, and I'm just gonna blend all of this out nice and smooth. And everything I am going to be using, I am going to link them down below, so you guys make sure you check that out. So first things first, we're going to start with a bone shade. I'm going to take these two shades and I'm going to apply this first. And then I'm going to go on with this pink color. That's going to be my transitional color. And I just want to make sure I pack this color in and buff it all the way out. To intensify my crease, I'm going to go in with this purple and this little bit of this blue just to add a little bit of a blue hue. And then I'm gonna go back in with those same two brushes to blend everything together and buff out the harsh lines. And then I'm gonna take a glitter glue and I'm just gonna carve out my lid so my colors can pop on the lid a little bit more. And then I'm gonna take that purple to deepen the edges, and then I'm gonna take this pink and apply it next to the purple. I am creating a gradient, you guys, so yeah, I'm just patting on the colors first, and I'm just going in order: purple, pink, orange into a lighter orange. And then I'm just going to go back in with those previous brushes and just blend everything in. And once I'm satisfied with the blending, I'm gonna go on with this dark blue to kind of deepen up the outer V just a hair, and I'm gonna buff that out really good. I want to intensify that corner, and then I'm gonna take this blue liner and add me a nice thick liner. Now jumping into this base. So I'm going to take my foundation. I like to add a little bit of a liquid highlighter. Again, we are going for a golden sunset look, and I want my foundation to I want my skin to glow within like look. I want this look. I can't describe it. Hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. And once I get it blended in, I like to go over everything with a sponge to give me a nice skin finish. And then I'm gonna go in with my contouring shade, and I like to blend with my fingers again to help give me that bronzy look, skin finish look. I'm trying to not use so many tools today. I don't know why. I just want to just blend with my fingers today. And I feel like the product would mix better with my fingers. And I just go back over everything with a sponge. And now I'm just gonna go in with my concealer and put it on my highlighted spots. and highlight my highlighted areas. I'm not trying to be crazy with the concealer. I'm not really crazy about a lot of concealer, but you know, still again, I want to be, you know, kind of glam today. I was just feeling like really, really like, girl, let's just take it there. And I'm gonna blend it out with a sponge. I just love the way a sponge blends out the concealer. Oh, it's beautiful. Then I'm just gonna go in with my cream blush. Again, I want this like glowing within type of look going on. So yeah, I'm gonna take my sponge and blend it out. And once I get everything kind of blended in, I'm gonna take the butt of the blender and just blend everything together. And then next I'm gonna go in and set. I'm gonna take my highlighting powder and highlight my highlighted areas around my eyes, under my eyes, on my mouth. And then I'm gonna take my finishing powder and set the rest of my face. And I'm going to take a powder brush and buff the rest of the powders in. And then I'm going to go in with my bronzer to bronze my bronze area, bring some color back into our face. And then I'm going to go into contouring my nose. I'm not a crazy contourer. I like to keep my nose natural looking. You know, I'm not really crazy about that. So yeah. And for my blush, I did a mixture of pink and orange. Again, we want to be glowing within. And for the eyes, I just go back in with those purples. And I'm gonna come back to my eyes now. I'm just gonna set my face twice. And I'm gonna add some finishing touches. I'm gonna add some highlighter and I'm going to define my brows. I'm going to take this teal eyeliner and add this into the waterline, and then I'm going to take these two gold shades and add them into my inner tear duct. And now we're going to get into the scary part. And at this point, I was trying to be really, really careful adding this line into the crease because the pencil just would not get sharp for some reason. Like, I was just so scared. But I was like, I'm not going to be too trivial with it. I'm just going to put it on here and not trying to be a perfectionist. And then once I'm done with that, I go on with some mascara. I don't know where the clip is with the lashes that I used. Again, check the captions so you guys can see what I used. And for the lips, I took this mauve pencil and just lined the lips. And to add some depth into that color, I took a purple liner. And for the lipstick, I wanted the lipstick to match the eyes a little bit. So I took this pink lipstick, and then to cool it down, I took this cooler mauve pink. And in the center, I add a little bit of a concealer. And then I just got to have some gloss. Gloss always has to be in the mix. You guys, let me know in the comments what you think of this look. And if you do like it, make sure you love it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.